Welcome back to Kaydanivato. Today we are exploring the Chapter 10 of Bhartiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, covering the order for maintenance for wives, children and parents. So let's break it down in practical and simple terms. Chapter 10 includes the section 144 to 147, focusing on the legal framework for family maintenance. It empowers the court to ensure financial support for dependents, especially when the responsible person has sufficient means but neglected their duty. Section 144, who is entitled to maintenance? Under Section 144, a first-class magistrate can order monthly financial support from those who can afford it. This applies to a wife who can't support herself, including divorced women who have not remarried, children, legitimate or illegitimate, minor or disabled adult, and parents unable to maintain themselves. Section 145, procedure and interim maintenance. Section 145 lays down how to apply. Courts may even order interim maintenance during the proceeding, aiming to resolve such cases within the 60 days of notice being served. Section 146, alteration to maintenance order. Life changes and the law accounts for that. Section 146 allows the modification of the maintenance order when circumstances change, such as an increase or decrease in income or need. Section 147, enforcement of maintenance orders. Lastly, Section 147 ensure practical enforcement. The court order or interim order is provided free of cost to the beneficiary or their guardian. Any magistrate across India can enforce it after verifying, identify and proof of non-payment. Friends, Chapter 10 of the BNSS reinforces the family obligations clearly, enabling the court ensure that those who support their family and their dependents do justly and without delay. If you found this background useful, do share, like and subscribe this channel. We'll meet soon in next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Stay connected with Kaydanivato. Jai Hind.